Hey guys, Glitch right here. So we just built we just built this truck as you saw, and I said I was gonna do a video on using it, so let's do that because why not? We're gonna look for like I don't know. Let's do this map. Okay, so we're in the map right now. Put a break on it. Not you guys don't have to, but and let's just drive around and see how it performs. I almost went head first into that tree. Guess I wouldn't suck too bad if I did, because I just went head first right into that rock. I'm gonna make it to where it's like a side view kind of thing. So if you guys want to see the suspension or something work. Alright, you know, I ain't gonna be a little wussy. If you guys haven't already and you want to see this truck, I just posted a video like the truck build of this truck, so if you guys like it, you can go make it yourself if you would like to. It's not, it's not, I should have made the tires bigger. I didn't forget about it, I just thought it would be fine without the tires being upgraded. So that's why, if you saw that I didn't include that in the video before this one, that's why. And that probably would have helped over there if I actually used my head and threw it in low and locked the differentials in. This is a pretty good map too. I don't usually, well, I play on maps. I just usually play on desert or I'm busy building trucks. And that's why I figured I'd post a video about Off-Road Outlaws today, because I've been grinding to get like a bunch of money and gold and stuff. And a good way is just to go in desert and get crates and stuff. Do it till like 100% of your battery runs out, and well, that's if you don't like have any looking for someone to text you or something or call you later. And then just, you know, Cause by 100 battery percentage, you could probably get to like, I don't know, probably a million maybe, or a couple hundred K. I don't know. It depends on how many crates are in per thing. Oh my flip. Swim lessons. If you guys are dealing with like water stuff, oh my god. If you guys are dealing with like, if you play a lot of maps with like waters or something, water, um, then you could put a snorkel on. I don't know if it'd help in that deep old water, but this is a pretty good truck. I'm proud of it. I got the if you're wondering why I picked that weird color for the rims, it's just because on I was watching a video on Cody72, his channel, of him making like a Whistling Diesel's annual level F350, or yeah, F350, and I built it, and I was gonna post a video about that, but I didn't want to steal nobody's idea or nothing, and I wanted my idea to be original, like no one done it. So that's why that's where I got the rim idea from. That weird color, like beigeish. Oh, the flipper, dude. This flipping truck, I don't wanna. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong, but it keeps flipping over. Also, because these things are super slim, but god dang it, dude. I had to pause the video for a second, or pause the recording. I don't know, maybe this thing does need bigger tires. Well, it depends on what map you're doing and stuff. Oh my flip. And all that. I mean, I know this part is kind of made for a rock crawler, so I don't know, I guess I'm pretty proud of it. Like, going this far for like a truck that's made for like hauling or something. I don't know what it's made for. I just thought of something. Anywhere. Okay. That don't work. Do it. What a fool I am. Forgot to put it in the... Alright guys, well I think that's gonna be the end of this video, and peace out.